Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. 'Cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning, losing, and trying. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. As sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you are to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me. I will be here. And just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here. We'll be together. I will be
If home is really where the heart is, then home must be a place we all can share. For even with our differences, our hearts are much the same. And where love is, we come together there. Wherever there is love, and home can bring this family face to face. And though we may be far apart, our hearts can be as one. When love brings us together in one place. Wherever there is laughter ringing, someone smiling, someone dreaming, we can live together there. Love will be our home. Where there are words of kindness spoken, where a vow is never broken, we can live together there. Love will be our home. 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 Wherever there is laughter ringing, someone smiling, someone dreaming, we can live together there. Love will be our home. Wherever there are children singing, where a tender heart is beating, we can live together there. Love will be our home. Love will be our home. Love will be our Wherever there is laughter ringing, someone smiling, someone dreaming, we can live together there. Love will be
This is the day that the Lord hath made, and I'm so glad He made you. With each rising sun, you are here by my side. You are more than a dream.